Hey, dad entrepreneurs, welcome and thank you so much for your interest in this course. This is definitely not your normal masterclass that you're used to. And so, my first two questions are you still cold calling? And are you tired of always pitching? Because I bet your customers are probably tired of being pitched too. Do you like to be pitched? I don't either. So, I want to show you how to create an incredible business that you love doing, that you have so much fun, and it doesn't require cold calling, pitching immediately, spamming Facebook groups, or even diving into everybody's DMs and coming up with little results to show for it. And so, like I said, this is not your normal masterclass. I don't like doing things the normal way, and actually I prefer to do the opposite. Honestly, that's how you stand out. I mean, look at Apple. Think different. I want to do life with other like-minded dad entrepreneurs who are focused on their faith, family, and scaling their business. The goal here is to create systems that scale online so you can reclaim your time and spend it with family. In this masterclass, not only will we work together on some amazing business tactics, but ways for us to be our most authentic self so we can show up as the best version of ourselves to our families and to our customers. We're going to work together to create systems that work for you while you sleep, but we'll also work together on elevating your voice, your spoken voice, because I believe there's so much power in the spoken word. In fact, Jesus, he created you, he created me, he created this world with the spoken word. Moses spoke to a rock and water came out, and walls of Jericho fell to the ground because of the power of the spoken word. So I want to help you elevate your voice and your message in your business. Elevate your message so that you can stick out in a crowded market. We're also going to work together on packaging your service, your product, your offer in a way that provides so much value so that you can charge the high value you're bringing to your customers. We will think outside the box to bring more value to your current offer. And if you're early in your entrepreneur journey and you don't have a product or offer yet, that's okay. I'm going to help you sell other offers until you have your own. We will walk through a new way to create a tribe of your ideal customers lined up, ready to buy your product, that desire to work with you, that doesn't require cold calls and DMs. There's so much more, but if any of this sounds of interest to all, I invite you into the class. And as a bonus, whether you sign up or not, I'm going to give you the free course on the 5 biggest mistakes that dad entrepreneurs make consuming their time and how to avoid them. In the end, all that matters is that we band together as brothers so we can be the best fathers, the best husbands that we can be. And I want to walk alongside you and help you create scalable systems online to leverage your time, leverage money, so we can all reclaim our time and spend it with family. I hope to see you in the class. Let's go.